Today we're going to show you how to install your new Skinomi TechSkin on your new device. The instructions and tips in this video can also be applied to any Skinomi screen, whether it's for a cell phone, tablet, or other electronic device. These instructions will help in the prevention of imperfections while demonstrating how quick and easy it is to install TechSkin. Each Skinomi kit will include installation solution, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and of course your new Skinomi TechSkin protector. You will also need a slightly flexible card, such as a debit card, credit card, or something similar. First, prepare a dust and lint-free environment to work in. A dirty workplace may cause imperfections to your TechSkin during the installation process. To prevent this, find or create a clean area to perform the installation. Remember to wash your hands thoroughly before handling your device or TechSkin. Apply some installation solution onto your microfiber cloth, then wipe down your device to remove fingerprints, smudge, dust, and grime. Apply some installation solution to your fingers before handling the TechSkin. Remember, touching the adhesive side with dry fingers may leave unwanted fingerprints. This installation solution is not an adhesive. It is a mildly soapy solution and will not damage your device or leave any residue. It is safe, non-toxic, and designed to help prevent fingerprints, bubbles, and imperfections. Next, apply some installation solution to the top side of the TechSkin, like so. This will help prevent stretching and warping when you begin to squeegee the TechSkin to your device. Carefully lift a corner of the TechSkin off of the backing. Please make sure you spray an even layer of solution on the adhesive side of your TechSkin. Carefully lay down your TechSkin on your device. If done correctly, your TechSkin should move freely and slide around on the surface, which should make the alignment of your TechSkin easy to apply on your device. If you are unable to easily move your screen around, you may need to apply an additional coat of installation solution. Once you are satisfied with the alignment of your TechSkin, take your card and fold the microfiber cleaning cloth around it, like so. The cloth will help absorb excess solution when you apply your TechSkin. Use one hand to hold the film down to prevent it from moving. Apply firm and even pressure to remove the liquid, but be sure to not stretch the film. Run the card outward toward the edges of the device. Occasionally stop and reposition the TechSkin. The screen will become more difficult to maneuver as the liquid is removed. We recommend allowing your applied TechSkin 12 to 24 hours to cure before turning on and using your device. Although this will produce the best results, it is only a recommendation. If you can't go a few hours without using your device, we recommend installing your TechSkin at night before going to bed so that your device will be ready to use in the morning. We hope that this installation video has been helpful to you. Enjoy your new TechSkin!